In this module, we've covered the techniques that will run through some of the most elegant Python code you'll produce. Let's recap what we've learned. Comprehensions are a concise and readable syntax for describing lists, sets, and dictionaries in a declarative way. These comprehensions iterate on an iterable source object and apply an optional predicate filter and a mandatory expression. Both filter and expression are usually in terms of the current item. Iterable objects are objects over which we can iterate item by item. We retrieve and iterate OR from an iterable using the built-in iter function. Iterators produce items one by one from the underlying iterable series each time they are passed to the built-in next function. When the series is exhausted, iterators raise a stop iteration exception. Generator functions allow us to describe sequences using imperative code. Generator functions look just like regular functions and have all the same facilities, but they must contain at least one instance of the yield keyword. The generators produced when you call a generator function are iterators. When the iterator is advanced with next, the generator starts or resumes execution up to and including the next yield statement. Although generators can't be reused, generator functions can. Each call to a generator function creates a new generator object. Generators can maintain state between calls in local variables, and because they are lazy, can model infinite series of data. Generator expressions are a sort of hybrid of generator functions and list comprehensions. These allow for a more declarative and concise way of creating generator objects. Python includes a rich set of tools for dealing with iterable series, both in the form of built-in functions such as sum, any, and zip, but also in the itertools module. We've given you some powerful tools in this module for writing functional style programs. In the next module, we'll experience a paradigm shift as we get to grips with object-oriented programming with classes. See you there!